It's time to register for the Cooper Memorial Library Summer Reading Program 2021. Start at our website, mylakelibrary.org. Once there, you can scroll down and find Summer Reading Program information for the entire system. Click on the Tales and Tales, and it will take you to a site listing all of the libraries. You can then click on Cooper Memorial Library in Claremont, and it will take you directly to our event calendar. You can also find us from libraries, Cooper Memorial Library, and then once you access our page there, click on our online event calendar, and it will take you to the same place. Whatever is easiest for you is fine. This is our online event calendar. It is limited to Cooper Memorial Library, but you can actually see the other locations if you click on there. So you're looking at just this 1 week, and you can see that Imagine Your Story and Puss N Boots are all available. Puss N Boots Online Storytime and Craft will be available through August. You can see that we have linked directly to the video after it premieres. Pick up your crafts in advance and craft along with Puss N Boots. It will stay up. Now, this is how you can register for Summer Reading Program. It's for kids and teens. It's the same link, and it's available right there. It's our Google form. It will also be available in the library on QR codes. And there we are. We're at our Summer Reading registration, and you have a choice. You can be a kid or you can be a teen. Now, kids are for babies all the way through 5th grade, going into 6th grade. Teens are specifically middle and high school students. If you're a kid, you're going to click Kid and click Next, and then it's going to be time to enter your information. We want to assure you that we are not using this information to connect with the child. So the child's first and last name are being used so that if they enter the golden ticket drawing, we are able to confirm that they actually are kids registered in our summer reading program and not random strangers on the internet. We are also asking things like how old you are, what grade you'll be in next year, what school you'll be in next year, and your zip code. We do not connect this information with the children. We just pull it out and let schools know that so many of their students came to summer reading program this year, or we let the state know when we are trying to request aid that X number of kids from preschool or from this school or from this age attended summer reading program. It's used for statistics, and we don't connect it with the child. That's why we ask for this information. But of course, you can prefer not to answer, and that's okay. Now it's time to enter your child's information. So first name, we're going to go ahead and put in Puss N Boots. So his first name is Puss and his last name is Boots. And is his middle name. And then we're going to give him an age. I'm going to say he's 7. And grade next year. He's not actually in school, so I'm going to choose that. And going down here, I'm just going to say prefer not to answer to show you that you can answer that and it's totally fine. And since he lives in the library, it's our zip code. Next. All right, so it's time to make an appointment to pick up a bag. I want to make sure I get Puss N Boots his coupon book so he can get prizes for summer. So I need to make an appointment. So my answer is no. I need to make an appointment to pick up all the bags. I only have to make one appointment for my family to pick up bags. I do not need to make an appointment for every single kid in my family. We're just trying to limit how many people are in the room at the same time. And if you've ever been through our old summer reading program, you know it can get a little crowded. Okay, so it's time to choose our bag pickup day. As these fill up, choices will be eliminated. Right now, they're all open. I'm going to choose Thursday. And don't worry, if you can't make any of these appointments, you can pick up the bags after appointments are done, starting on Friday. I'm going to click the 2 p.m. slot, and I'm just going to show up anytime between 2 and 3. It could be 2:30, it could be 2:45. Hopefully it will only take 15 minutes or less. That's the goal. Submit. All right, so I've submitted Puss N Boots. He is registered for the bag. I have another kid I want to register, so I'm going to submit another response. This one's a teenager. It's the same form to make it as easy as possible. It's time to register my teenager dragon. So dragon is a librarian. And dragon is a teen. The choices are different for teen ages and grades. Pick my school. And my zip code. Dragon also lives at the library. And Dragon does not need to pick up a bag, so we simply submit. There is not a bag for Dragon because Dragon's a teen. You're only making appointments to pick up bags for kids. I can submit another response if I have more children, or I could go ahead and look at that online calendar again. And here we go. We're in our online calendar. I've got May, I've got June and July. We have stuff going on June and July this summer. You can see that none of those bag appointments are on our calendar because they're appointments and we're making the appointments through registration process. You know your appointment. You can also see we have other events. Now everything is pre-registered this summer to make everyone feel comfortable and safe. We'll have reading to a dog programs of some kind every Saturday in the summer. And you can see that registration begins a week prior, and you want to hop on there and register before they fill up. Scroll down, click on View More, and you'll be able to see the times that are available even before registration opens. Just look on your left, and it's grayed out, but you can see it. So there are 4 slots. Now this is Read to Sydney, and Read to Sydney, he allows multiple kids at the same time. So you could have a small family, you could have up to 5 people, including yourself. You register your group for Read to Sydney for one of those slots. Reading Pause is every other Saturday, and in Reading Pause, only one child can register at a time, but they have more appointments available. So you choose your appointment and you register. There will be an opportunity for a waiting list if necessary. You can choose to be emailed or text reminders. We also have family story time. The appointment opens each week a week prior, and you do need to pre-register. This will be a very simple story time. Not a lot of bells and whistles. There won't be a craft. It's simply a fun time to be together, appreciate literature. Now you'll see that this is a group registration. You're only going to register your family group. You do not need to register every child. There will be 6 family groups per session, and as you can see, we have sessions all day. The appointment time is really 20 minutes. That 45-minute slot is for buffer time so we can clean, sanitize, have a drink of water before the next group. We'll have book clubs available, and as you can see, we have in-person or by Zoom. Now, the in-person ones are limited in how many people can attend. The Zoom ones are not. We have Kids, Teens, and Classics book club this summer. It would be a great opportunity for father-daughter or mother-son or mother-daughter or grandma, grandpa, and grandchildren type of book club experience to register together if possible, or to register via Zoom, and everyone can read the same book and talk about it. Cat Kid Comic Club. Cat Kid Comic Club is what's called a self-directed program. So we're going to provide things in the library. You pick them up, you do it, you bring it back, and we'll post it in the library. We also have an interactive movie experience. We have 3 sessions. The registration opens up a week prior, and we need an exact head count because we are going to have a limited number of supplies. We do need to provide you with those supplies. It's going to be fun. We're going to do this fun movie experience where we watch the movie, but we also do some stuff during the movie to react with the movie and react as a group. It will be the most fun if we have an exact head count. And if you have any issues in your family, if someone has any kinds of allergies, let us know. We will provide you with the materials that we are using, and you can then go and provide those materials separately for your child and monitor their child's activity. We will not be able to monitor children. We will not be able to provide alternative materials, but you could do that. If you have a small home daycare or you're a summer camp or something like that, please do not register for family story time or interactive movie experience. We are providing you with alternative Fridays so that you can have your own story time, just your group. We also are providing you with the opportunity to make an appointment if for some reason you can't do the Friday. And if you wanted to do something with that interactive movie experience, it would not be appropriate for a non-family group to come, but we would tell you what we're doing and you could go purchase those materials and do it yourself. Stuffed animal adoption. You will need to register in the library because I haven't figured out a way to do it on the computer. But it's just a simple thing. You're going to register to adopt a small palm-sized stuffed animals. These stuffed animals have been featured in many of Puss N Boots' videos. And you will get a little certificate, a little animal, and you'll also get an opportunity to watch the little video with your stuffed animal in it. Now, July 30th is the last day for prizes. We do put them away on the end of the day on July 30th, and there are no more prizes after that. We also have golden ticket drawings, and they are for 6 weeks. And we have teen drawings, and they are for 6 weeks. So they start the week that Family Storytime starts, and they end the week that Family Storytime ends. So that's the 6-week sandwich. If you need help registering your children, or if you have more questions, please let us know. We're here to help. This is new for us too, but we're hoping to make everyone feel comfortable and safe so we can have a great summer reading program together. Thank you.